Hi, so in this tutorial, I have to share uh, the details regarding uh, creation of salespeople, orders, and customer nodes, and the relationship between them according to these CSV files. So what I have did is that firstly, I've created three public files because when we are dealing with Neo4j in the browser, we we need to create a public file in order to access those CSV files. So this is for the customer, this is for the orders file, and this is for the salespeople file. Then I have used this command load CSV with headers. So this is basically loading all the data from the customers.csv file, and here it is creating nodes by the name of customer, having attributes properties as customer ID, name, city, ratings, the salesperson ID, all the details that are originally present in this file. So let me show the data in this file as well. So here is all the customers data. Secondly, I have used, so this is going to create all the nodes. So this is only for the customers. Similarly, I have used the same procedure to create the orders and salespeople according to their attributes. Now coming to the second part, I have to create the relationship. So this is an example of creating relationship uh, between customers and salesperson. So I have also downloaded and loaded the CSV file of customers and matched all the snums that are present in the customer file in a way that all the salesperson that serve customers, and in a similar fashion I have done it for customers and orders. So after going through these, I've been able to uh, run this command. Let me show the command as well. So these are the nodes created along with the relationships. So let me, yes. So here we have Pereira, who is a customer. So salesperson by the pink, and so this salesperson is serving this who has given this order. And these are all the relationships. So we can see that there are relationships where uh, a single salesperson is serving two people. So here Ceres is serving Liu and Grass as well. And here I think Pete is serving Hoffman and Clemens. So this is what I believe the assignment has been. Thank you for looking at the video. Have a good day.